Hello children, today we are going to practice creative writing in English. So let's begin. This is a picture of Rahul Gupta. Using the clues given, write a paragraph about him in your notebook. So this is picture of Rahul Gupta. And you have to use these clues to write a paragraph about him. You will write a paragraph about Rahul Gupta using these clues. Let's read the clues once. Indian, cricket, 8 hours, practices, eats healthy food, runs 2 kilometers every day, batsman. So these are the clues you have and you will use them to write a paragraph about him. So let's take these clues one by one and write sentences about Rahul Gupta using these clues. Let's begin. So first we will take Indian and cricket. We can make a sentence using Indian and cricket. It can be Rahul Gupta is an Indian cricket player. Rahul Gupta is an Indian cricket player. Next, we can use 8 hours and practices to make another sentence. 8 hours and practices. He practices for 8 hours every day. Repeat the sentence. He practices for 8 hours every day. Next, eats healthy food. We can make sentence he eats healthy food. He eats healthy food. Next, runs 2 kilometers every day. Using these words, we can make the sentence he runs 2 kilometers every day. He runs 2 kilometers every day. Now, batsman. This is our hint. What sentence can we make? He is a good batsman. He is a good batsman. So these were the sentences which we can make using the clues given. You will revise this. You will make sentences using the clues and then you will write a paragraph about Rahul Gupta. आप वन बाय वन सेंटेंसेस लिखेंगे और उन सेंटेंसेस को यूज़ करके आप राहुल गुप्ता के बारे में एक पैराग्राफ भी लिखेंगे. Let's move on to our next exercise. This is Rajiv's family. They are a healthy family. See what each one does to remain healthy. So this is Rajiv's family and they are very healthy. Let's see what each one of them is doing to remain healthy. This is father. He is doing exercise. This is mother. She is also doing exercise. This is Sita. It looks like she is his sister. She is skipping rope. This is grandpa. He is walking. This is grandma. She is drinking something. Now as we know they are a healthy family, she must be drinking milk. or maybe juice. And finally, this is Rajiv. He is jogging. Now, what you have to do is write sentences about Rajiv's family by using words and or but. You will use these two words and but. And then you will make sentences about Rajiv's family. Let's see. Grandpa and grandma get up early in the morning. Grandpa and grandma get up early in the morning. Grandpa is walking, but Rajiv is jogging. Grandpa is walking, but Rajiv is jogging. So, you must remember that we have already done sentences with and but. We use and when we have to connect two sentences which are similar, and we use but when we have to connect two sentences which show different situation. So here, as we see, they both get up early in the morning. So we have used and. But here, one person is walking and other is jogging. So they are doing different activities. Here we have connected using but. So like this, you will make more sentences. You can see here, mother and father are doing exercise. Mother and father are doing exercise. Sita is skipping rope, but mother is stretching. Sita is skipping rope, but mother is stretching. Father is doing exercise, but grandma is drinking milk. Father is doing exercise, but grandma is drinking milk. So, this is your work for today. At first, you will write a paragraph about Rahul Gupta. And secondly, you will write some sentences about Rajiv's family using the words and or but. So, that's it for today. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.